Hello, welcome to Pretty Flip and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my BoxyCharm for September. It did come a bit later in the month, so I just wanted to quick jump on and show you what I got. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do get the base box, which is $25 a month, and I will definitely leave some information in the description box below for you guys. The theme for September is going to be BTS, or behind the scenes. On the back of the card, it does show you everything I received, a little information on each product, as well as the retail value. So let's get to it. Let's go with the first thing. The first thing is from insert name here, and it is the Quick Slick Hair Essence. It is for baby hairs, flyaways, but there you go, which is definitely cute. I do like the packaging. Lord knows I have flyaways and, you know, everything going on with this hair, so I will definitely see how that works. This retails for $22. The next thing is from St. Luxe, and this is a brow gel. This retails for $22. And yep, it's just a brow gel. So there you go. Small little guy, but you know, I don't think you need too much for your brows unless you got like monster brows, but I don't mess with my brows. That's one of many things I just don't do. But yeah, so again, retails for $22. So there you go. The next thing is from Georgette Klinger, and this is a Marula primer. There you go. There's the back. It says for all skin types, and this retails for $32. It has marula oil, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin F, and vitamin B. Locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. There you go. The next thing is from Alana Badro. I'm probably saying that horribly wrong, but it is a 3-piece brush set. So that's what the little packaging looks like. Let's show you what these look like. There you go. They're cute. These retail for $58. I will leave that up to you whether you guys think it's worth $58 for 3 brushes, but yeah, I mean, they're soft. They're a little wonky looking on some of the hairs. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but yeah, I mean, they're okay. Not bad. They're soft. These are synthetic brushes. Like I said, it's up to you whether you guys think it's $58 worth, but they're cute. I can't go wrong with brushes, so I do enjoy them. And then the last and final thing is from Blink, and this is a Glow Getter face palette. Oh, and my lighting's deciding to not like me at all. There we go. This is a face palette. It says it features 4 smooth matte blushes as along with 4 luminous highlighters. Here's what the back looks like. Let me show you what the palette looks like. This retails for $50, by the way. And here's what that looks like. Pretty colors. I mean, decent for a good amount of skin ranges or skin shades, but don't know about everybody, but I mean, I'll be able to work with it. This lighting is killing me. I am so sorry, guys. But yeah, so there you go. I just wanted to jump on really quick and show you guys what I got, because like I said, it's a little bit later in the month than I like to, but things happen. I'm not gonna get mad about it, but yeah, just wanted to jump on real quick. Just a quick reminder, you guys are beautiful. You're smart, and you're worthy. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.